to the next video. So we are doing the basic measure again. You can go here, you can click on this and you can download the file, and let's see what's the problem and what can be the solution. So I've already downloaded the file. It's saying that open the Power BI in the above. So yeah, so this is the file that I've already downloaded. Now it's telling that create a fourth table to hold your measure and create and show two simple measure and a table in the display. So what we need to do, we need to make two new measures called average box office and average budget. So I will create one table here which hold the measure. I will name it as all measures. I will load it and it will get loaded here. I will check once if I have everything aligned. Yes. So so what I will do, I will go here, I will add new measure, and measure should be average box office collection in millions. So I will name it as average box office. So I will write it as average and then box office if I write. Yeah, so it's giving us this. So what I will do, I will just copy this and paste it here, and in the table remove the genre and put the average box office, and I will check. So right now it's giving us into the millions, so we need to divide it with a million so that the numbers are much more readable. Same goes for the average budget. So I will name it as average budget. And I will put this here and I will check if the values are getting accurate. For you it's 279.74 and 44.69. Yes, we are getting accurate values. So right now till here we are okay. Now it's giving me, like telling me, now create and show the measure called average profit margin. Okay, average profit margin, showing that a film business is a good to be at least one of the. Okay, so how the profit margin is defined? So the profit margin for a film, it's defined as the box office taking minus the budget and then divide by the box office taking. So through this we will get this average profit margin. So let's do average profit margin. So it's like average. So we already have the measure here as average budget and average box office collection. So what we will do, we will just take average box office collection minus average budget. Okay, and then we will divide it by box office takings. So let me put this into variable. I will name it as 1, and then I will return as 1 divide by average box office taking, and I will enter this, and I will take this and put it here, and let's format this as percentage. So when I click percentage, you can see in this table the percentage numbers are appearing. Now I will check if we are getting accurate values or not. So certificate U is 77.74. no, we are not getting accurate values. Let me check. box office taking minus the budget for the film. Okay, so what we have done, box office minus budget, and then dividing it by box office taking, and then it's saying that you will need to trap divide by 0 errors. Okay, that's a different thing. Let's try different way. So average x, we will use average x in this with the film, and then divide by the box office dollars minus budget dollars and then the film, then we will get this.